Good morning, students. In the last class, we were discussing K-map, how to simplify Boolean expressions using K-map. And then we discussed the SOP expressions. Let us continue. Expression f of ABCD is equal to f of ABCD is equal to sigma 0 to 78 0 to 78 10 15. So total 4 variables are there. We should draw 4 variable SOP K-map because it is sigma. Let us write once in our respective boxes. 0, here 1, 1. Next is 8, no? Here. Then 10, 15. Now, let us try to make octet. So, it's not possible because there are no 8 adjacent ones. So, next priority goes to quad. It is also not possible because no adjacent 4 ones are there. Is it possible? If there is exact ones here, we can make it as quad. But at the corners we have ones. So if you fold this K-map symmetrically, vertically and horizontally, you will get a quad. So the corner ones make a quad. Quad. And remaining ones are these two. From these two, we can't make octet, quad, we can make pair. Exactly. Now, from quad, A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar, plus A bar, B bar, C, B bar, plus A, B bar, C bar, D bar, plus A, B bar, C, D bar. That is equal to. So, from these two terms, A bar get cancelled, B bar remain, and from these two terms, C bar get cancelled, D bar remain. So, B bar, D bar. From pair, these two terms, A bar get cancelled, B remain. So first we have to write the midterms. A bar, B, C, D plus A, B, C, D. That is equal to A bar get cancelled, B remain. And C, B, C, D. The final answer is F of A, B, C, D is equal to B bar, D bar plus B, C, D. Next. F of ABCD is equal to sigma 7, 9, 10, 11, 12. 13, 14, 15. Again, 4 variable SOP came back. A, B, C, A bar, B bar, A bar, B, A, B, A, B bar, C bar, D bar, C bar, D, C, D, C, D bar. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 6. Here in the last row, 8, 9, 11, 10, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Now 7 in this box, 1, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Now let us try to make octet. So we can't make octet here because no 8 adjacent ones. So let us go for quad. It's possible. Here we get an exact quad. This is quad 1. Now these are the remaining ones. Let us try to make octet using these remaining ones. It's not possible. And if you combine with any group, is it possible? No. And quad, let us go for quad. With the remaining ones, can we make quad? No. If one more one is there, we can make quad. Now we have to combine these with the existing group so that we can make a quad. See here, this is one quad. A. This is one quad. Now let us label it as quad 2. Next, these two ones are remain. From this one, we can't make octet. Only with the one, with this one we can't make quad. Now we have to combine with the group which is already existing. So the existing group, these are the existing group. There is no chance to make octet or pair. Pair is the least priority. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಉಳಿದಿರೋದು ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಉಳಿದಿದೆ ಆ ಒಂದು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಾವು octet ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, quad ಆಗಲ್ಲ, pair ಆಗಲ್ಲ. So I have to combine with group, existing group ಜೊತೆ combine ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು. ಏನು ಯಾವ್ದು ಇರೋದು ಒಂದೇ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ವೇ ಇದೇ ಇದರ quad ಮಾಡೋದು. We have to make it as quad. This become quad. Quad 3. Now, one more one left here. So we can't make octet, we can't make quad, so we can make pair by grouping, by combining with this group. So it becomes a pair. Now, 3 quads, 1 pair. Let us write from quad 1. Which is quad 1, this is quad 1. Let us write the big terms first. AB, C bar, D bar. AB, C bar, D bar. Plus AB, C bar, D. AB, C bar, D. Plus AB, C, D. Plus AB, C, D bar. Now C bar, C will cancel, C bar, C will cancel here, D bar, D, D, D bar, everything will cancel here. The remaining term is AB. After simplification, we get AB here. Now from quad 2, which is quad 2, this one. This is a quad 2. So let us write the main terms. AB C bar D, AB C bar D plus ABCD plus AB bar C bar D, AB bar C bar D plus AB bar CD. Now the reduced term will be from this side. D bar get cancelled, A remain. Here C bar cancelled, D remain. AD is the answer. From quad 3, which is quad 3, this is quad 3. So let us write midterms ABCD plus AB CD bar plus AB bar CD plus AB bar CD bar, which is the reduced term here. Again DB bar get cancelled, A remain, and DD bar cancelled, C remain, AC. Now from pay, this is pay. What are the midterms? A bar B CD, A bar B CD plus AB CD. Here A bar cancelled, B remained, and CD remained, BCD. So the final answer is F of A, P, C, D is equal to AB plus AD plus AC plus BC.
Next question. F of ABCD is equal to double quotes 0, 1, 3, 5, 6 7, 10, 14, 15 that's it. Now double quotes means it's a SOP expression. I'll write values here 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6. Here in the last row 8, 9, 11, 10, 12, 13, 15, 14. Now let us write ones here. 1. First we shall write them in terms A bar B bar, A bar B, AB, AB bar, C bar D bar, C bar D, CD, CD bar. Next 1, here 1, 5, 1, 6, 10, 14, 15. Now let us try to make octet. So there are no adjacent 8 ones. So let us go for quad. So we can make quad here. So I'll check the numbers. 3, 2, no? 3. Now I can make this as a quad. This is quad 1 and this is one more quad, quad 2. So these two ones are left here. Using these ones, can we make octet? No, we can't make quad also. So we can't make pair also. We can't group diagonally. ಈ ಥರ ಮಾಡೋ ಹಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. So by using only these ones, we can't make octet, quad and pair also. Now we have to combine with the existing group. So this become a pair and this is one pair. This is pair 1 and it is pair 2. This is pair 2. Now let us write the expressions here. Quad 1, A bar, B bar, C bar, D. A bar, B bar, C bar, D plus from quad 1. Next, A bar, B bar, C, D. A bar, B bar, C, D plus A bar, B, C bar, D. A bar, B, C bar, D. A bar, B, C bar, D. Now, A bar, B, C, D. C, D is equal to. Now, B, B bar get cancelled. A bar remain. D remain. A bar, D. Next, this from quad 2. A bar, B, C, D. A bar, B, C, D plus A bar, B, C, D bar. A bar, B, C, D bar plus A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D plus A, B, C, D bar. A, B, C, D bar. That is equal to A bar cancelled, B remained. Here D bar get cancelled, C remain. BC is the answer here. BC. Next, from pair 1, this is pair. A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar. A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar plus A bar, B bar, C bar, D. A bar, B bar, C bar, D plus, that's it. That is equal to A bar, B bar as it is. From these two terms, D bar get cancelled. A bar, B bar, C bar remained. A bar, B bar, C bar. Next, from pair 2. From pair 2. This is pair 2. A, B, C, D bar. A, B, C, D bar plus A, B bar, C, D bar. A, B bar, C, D bar. That is equal to. Now from these two terms, B bar get cancelled. A remain. C, D bar. A, C, D bar. A, C, D bar. Now the final answer become, I'll write here, F of A, B, C, D is equal to A bar D plus BC plus A bar, B bar, C bar plus A, C, D bar. Next question. I hope you understood almost all SOP expressions I covered. I hope you understood. Now let us simplify POS Boolean expressions using K-map. Simplification of POS expressions using K-map. You all know how to draw POS K-map, 1 variable, 2 variable, 3 variable and 4 variable. And one thing you should remember here, in SOP, complemented variables gets value 0 and non-complemented variables value is 1. In POS, complemented variable or complemented literal value is 1 and non-complemented literal value is 0. So, once you understand SOP K-map, you can easily write a POS K-map. So, usually you'll get questions on 3 variables and 4 variables. Now, okay. F of Wx, Yz, F of first one, F of W, X, Y, Z is equal to M1, capital M1 dot M3 dot M5 dot M6, M7, M9, M6, M7, M9, M11 and M13. Now total 4 variables. Here capital M is there. So it is a shorthand notation of POS expression. Now we have to draw 4 variable POS K-map. W, X, Y, Z. So, which order he has given in the question, you have to take the same order here. Now, the values are remained same. First, new values barkombidi. Avaga nimge confusion irala. 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7. Sorry, here 7, 6. The last row 8, 9, 10 and 11. 12, 13, 14 and 15. Now, let us write the max terms here. There in SOP, what we had written there, W bar, X bar, we had written in the SOP expression, SOP K-map. Now, W plus X, here Y plus Z. How to write 0 in 4-bit binary? 4 zeros, 0, 0, 0, 0. Here, non-complemented variable value is 0 here. So, Wx, Yz. Illi plus hakbeku because it is a product of sum. Now, next, there we had written, ಈಗ ಈ ಥರ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆವು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಬರಿತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ? W bar, X bar ಅಂತ ಬರಿತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ W plus X. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರಿತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ? W bar X. Next Wx, then Wx bar. This is the way we had written in SOP expression, SOP K-map. Now let us change the variables and operators here. W bar, instead of W bar you can write W. Instead of dot you can write plus. Instead of X, X bar. Here W bar plus X bar. Here W bar plus X. Now you can copy the pattern here. Y plus Z bar, Y bar plus Z bar, Y bar plus Z. Next, see, you'll get the same numbers here. W plus X plus Y plus Z, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Now, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. 0, 0, 1, 1, 3. 0, 0, 1, 0, that is 2. Now let us write the values here. In POS, the respective box, what is there in the question, in those numbers respective box, we have to write zeros. In SOP K-map, we had written ones in those respective boxes. Now we have to write 0. And one more thing I forgot to write in SOP K-map, wherever the left out box, so in the given values, what are the values in the question, in those particular boxes we had written 1, and the remaining box we have to write zeros. I did not write 0, I left empty. You have to fill with the 0. ಅಂದರೆ ಉಳಿದಿರೋ ಬಾಕ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ SOPಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ನಂಬರ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸಿಗೆ 1 1 ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಉಳಿದಿರೋ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ನ ಹಾಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಆ ಉಳಿದಿರೋ ಬಾಕ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಝೀರೋಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೋದು ನೀವು, ಝೀರೋಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ, 0 ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನಾವು ಇನ್ POS the given numbers box we have to write zeros. 1 0 0 0 0, here 7 9 11 13. Now we have to group zeros group ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Can we make octet here? No, we can't make octet because no adjacent 8 ones are there here. Can we make quad? Yes, we can make quad, exact quad. This is quad 1. Now these are the left out zeros. Using these zeros, left out zeros, can we make octet? No, we can't make octet. Can we make quad by using those zeros? We can't make. Can we make quad by combining with the existing group? Yes, we can make. Here. Quad 2. Next. Here we can make pair, but we have to go according to the priority. So we have to try to make octet first. We can't make octet here. So is it possible to make quad? Yeah, we can make quad by corner edges. We can combine edges here. So it becomes one more quad. This is quad 3. And one more 0 left here. Using this we can't make octet and quad also, so we can make it as a pair by regrouping with this existing group. This is pair. Now let us write the max terms expressions. From quad 1, this is quad 1. What are the max terms here? W plus X plus Y plus Z bar. W plus X plus Y plus Z bar into dot operator. W plus X plus Y bar plus Z bar. W plus X plus Y bar plus Z bar. Next, W plus, sorry, this is no. Here, this quad I consider. This is quad 1. Yeah. W plus X bar. W plus X bar. Y plus Z bar. Dot. W bar plus X bar. W bar plus X bar plus Y plus Z bar. Next, W bar plus X, Y plus Z bar. W bar plus X plus Y plus Z bar. That is equal to X into X bar 0, get cancelled. X into X bar 0. W into W bar, W into W bar, everything get cancelled here. Remaining thing is Y plus Z bar. Y plus Z bar. Now from quad 2, which is quad 2, this one, this is quad 2. W plus X plus Y plus Z bar into w plus x plus y bar plus z bar into w plus x bar plus y plus z bar into w plus x bar plus y bar plus z bar, that is equal to, here x into x bar 0, this term get cancelled, w remained, here y bar get cancelled, z bar remained, w plus z bar. While writing, you have to very careful which operator you have to use here, plus operator. In SOP, we had taken dot operator because we had written the min terms there. So min terms is nothing but logical product terms. This is a max terms, it is a logical sum of those literals. Now from quad 3, this is a quad 3, w plus x plus y plus z bar, w plus x plus y plus z bar into w plus x plus y bar plus z bar into w bar plus x y plus z bar into w bar plus x plus y bar plus z bar, that is equal to, from these two terms, w bar get cancelled, x remained, and here y bar cancelled, z bar remained, x plus z bar. From pair, I'll write here, from pair, w plus x bar plus y bar plus z bar, w plus x bar plus y bar plus z bar into w plus x bar plus y bar plus z. Now what is the answer here? W plus x bar plus y bar. What is the answer? F of w, x, y, z is equal to y plus z bar into w plus z bar into x plus z bar into w plus x bar plus y bar. So this is the answer. Sometimes they ask you to construct logic circuit for this reduced expression. How to construct a logic circuit? Total 4 variables. So I consider w, x, y and z. Complements also there. W bar is not there. X bar, y bar and z bar is there. So you can apply to NOT gate. It becomes x bar and it becomes y bar and this is z bar. Now y plus z bar, we have to consider these two lines. These two are the inputs for OR gate, y plus z bar. So OR gate. Next w plus z bar these two gates W plus Z bar. Next X plus Z bar, X and Z bar, X plus Z bar. You have to draw the symbols properly. W plus X bar plus Y bar, W plus X bar plus Y bar, 3 input OR gate, W plus X bar plus Y bar. Now, so these terms has to be input to now AND gate. Now you have to construct AND gate here. 4 input AND gate. Then we get that expression. So here you have to write that expression. That is, I'll write here Y plus Z bar into dot operator now, W plus Z bar into X plus Z bar into W plus X bar plus Y bar. Next question. F of Wx, Yz is equal to M0, M2, M4, M8 M9, M10, M11 M12 and M13. So it is also POS expression. They are all max terms, shorthand notation. Now 4 variable POS K-map. W plus X, Y plus Z, 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6, in the last row, 8, 9, 11, 10, 12, 13, 15 and 14. Now we shall write the max terms here. W plus X, see there we had written W bar X bar, here W plus X. Here W bar X bar, W bar X, instead of W bar X we have to write W X bar. Here W bar plus X bar, here W bar plus X. Here also. Y plus Z, Y plus Z bar, Y bar plus Z bar, Y bar plus Z. Now zero, here you have to write 0, 2, 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, all numbers are correct. Now, can we make octet here? We can't make octet. We can't make octet like this. We can make octet vertical, horizontal, or here if you get 8 zeros here or 8 zeros here, you can make octet. Now, it's not possible. Can we make quad? Yes, we can make quad here, exact quad. So, I'll write this as quad 1. Now, so these are the remaining zeros. From these zeros, we can't make octet. Can we make quad by using these zeros? We can't make quad also. So can we make quad by combining with this group? Yes, we can make quad. This is another quad. Quad 2. Again, these 3 zeros are left. From these, we can't make octet and also quad. So can we combine with any group so that we can make octet? No. So if I combine these zeros with this group, I can make quad. Quad 3. And this one. Can we make octet? No, we can't make octet. Can we make quad? Is it possible? Yes, we can make quad here. See here, in this example, we had taken corner values, corner zeros as quad, because highest priority for octet, then quad, next pair. So I made it as quad. This is quad. Okay. Quad 4. From quad 1. This is quad 1, this is quad 1. W plus X plus Y plus Z. W plus X bar plus Y plus Z. W bar plus X bar plus Y plus Z. W bar plus X bar. Sorry. This is W bar X bar. Here W bar X plus Y plus Z. This is equal to, everything get cancelled here, Y plus Z remained. From quad 2, which is quad 2, this is quad 2, W bar plus X bar plus Y plus Z. Next W bar plus X bar plus Y Z bar. Then W bar plus X plus Y plus Z. Next W bar plus X plus Y Z bar plus Y plus Z bar. This is equal to X bar get cancelled, W bar remained. From here, Z bar get cancelled, Y remained. Here W bar plus Y. From quad 3, okay, it is quad 3, these corner terms are quad 3. W plus X plus Y plus Z. W plus X plus Y bar plus Z. W bar plus X, Y plus Z. W bar plus X plus Y bar plus Z. That is equal to, from these two terms W bar cancelled, X remained. From these two terms Y bar cancelled, Z remained, X plus Z. Now the final answer is, I'll write here, f of W X Y Z is equal to Y plus Z into W bar plus Y into X plus Z. That's it. Next one, take it as assignment. F of ABCD is equal to, this is assignment for you. F of ABCD is equal to pi of 0, 2, 4, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 6, 8, 10, 14, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 14. That's it. So what type of expression it is? Pi is there, you have to identify the expression, and based on the variables you have to draw the K map, then simplify the Boolean expression. Thank you.